A bus takes 2 minutes to drive between consecutive stops and waits 1 minute at each stop. Zia takes 5 minutes to walk between consecutive stops. When Zia reaches a stop, if the bus is at the previous stop or has already left it, she waits for the bus. Otherwise, she keeps walking to the next stop. The bus and Zia start at the same time heading toward the library, with the bus starting 3 stops behind Zia. After how many minutes does Zia board the bus? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's number the stops. Say Zia starts at stop 0 and the bus starts 3 stops behind. At stop -3, both head to the right toward the library. First, track the bus. It needs 2 minutes to reach a new stop. Then waits 1 minute, so it is at stop -2 at time 2. Stop -1 at time 5. Stop 0 at time 8. Stop 1 at time 11. Stop 2 at time 14. And stop 3 at time 17. Now follow Zia and apply the rule. She reaches stop 1 at time 5. The bus is back at stop -1. Not yet past her previous stop, so she keeps walking. She reaches stop 2 at time 10. The bus has just left stop 0 but has not reached her previous stop, stop 1. So she keeps walking again. She reaches stop 3 at time 15. Now the bus is right there at stop 2, her previous stop, so this time she waits. The bus leaves stop 2 at time 15 and arrives at stop 3 at time 17, right where Zia is waiting. So Zia boards the bus after 17 minutes. The answer is 17. Choice A.